Hello, how to solve for s in this equation s to the power of 6 minus x. Hello, how to solve for x in this equation s to the power of 6 minus x to the power of 9 is equal to 36. We want to find the value of s from this beautiful equation. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Solution. Then here, s to the power of 6 can be written as s to the power of 3 all square minus s to the power of 9 can be written as s to the power of 3 or to the power of 3 is equal to 36. Then here we have s to the power of 3 all square minus s to the power of 3 all to the power of 3. If you bring this 36 to this side, become minus 36 is equal to 0. Now let s to the power of 3 is equal to y. Then this equation become y square minus y to the power of 3 minus 36 is equal to 0. Then this is y square minus y to the power of 3 minus 36 can be written as minus 27 minus 9 is equal to 0. Then this can be written as y square minus y to the power of 3 minus 27 can be written as minus 3 to the power of 3 minus 9 can be written as minus 3 square is equal to 0. Now let's compare. We have y square, then minus 3 square, then minus bracket this y to the power of 3. This one can be written as plus 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Then if you look at this y square minus 3 square, this is in form of perfect square. That is, if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. And from here, if you have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, this is equal to a plus b bracket a square minus ab plus b square, where a is equal to y and then b is equal to 3. So let's consider this y square minus 3 square. This is y plus 3 bracket y minus 3. Then let's consider this. We have minus bracket. Here is y plus 3 bracket y square minus y multiplied by 3 plus 3 square bracket, then we'll close the bracket, is equal to 0. This is y plus 3 bracket. We have y minus 3 minus bracket. This is y plus 3 bracket. Here is y square minus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. Now, if you look at this, y plus 3 is common here and y plus 3 is common here. Let's bring it out. Here we have y plus 3 bracket. Then we have, if you divide this by this, we have y minus 3 minus, if you divide the whole of this by this, we have y square minus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. Then here we have y plus 3 bracket. Bracket here is y minus 3, then minus multiplied by y square. This become minus y square. Then we have minus multiplied by minus 3y. This become plus 3y. Then minus multiplied by plus 9. This is minus 9 is equal to 0. Then here is, then we have y plus 3 bracket. Bracket here is minus y square, y plus 3y. This become plus 4y. Then here is minus 3 minus 9. That is minus 12 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is y plus 3 is equal to 0. And then the second case is minus y square plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now from this first case, y is equal to minus 3. We can call this y1. Then from the second case here, let's divide all through by minus 1. If you divide everything by minus 1, then here is minus y square divided by minus 1. This becomes y square. Then plus 4y divided by minus 1. It becomes minus 4y. And then minus 12 divided minus 12 divided by minus 1. This becomes plus 12 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula is given as y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c is equal to 12. Then let's consider this discriminant first. We have b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 12. This is equal to minus 4 square. We have 16 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 12. That is 48. Then if you subtract 16 from 48, this is equal to minus 32. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 32. Now let's plug in this into this equation. Y is equal to minus bracket minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 32 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Y is equal to minus times minus 4. This is 4 plus or minus square root of minus 32 can be written as 16 multiplied by 2 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. But we know that square root of minus 1 is equal to I. Then this is y is equal to 4 plus or minus, then square root of 16 is 4 root 2I divided by 2. Y is equal to 4 divided by 2 plus or minus 4 divided by 2 root 2I. 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Y is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 root 2I. Then y2 is equal to 2 plus 2 root 2I, and y3 is equal to 2 minus 2 root 2I. Therefore, our final answers are y1 is equal to, therefore the value of y are y1 is equal to minus 3, y2 is equal to 2 plus 2 root 2I, and then y3 is equal to 2 minus 2 root 2I. If you look at this is complex root, and this is complex root as well. Then we can consider this, but s to the power of 3 is equal to y. Then when y is equal to minus 3, here we have s to the power of 3 is equal to minus 3. Let's take the cube root of both sides of this equation. We have cube root of s to the power of 3 is equal to, this is minus cube root of 3. This will cancel this. S is equal to minus cube root of 3, or s is equal to minus 3 to the power of 1 over 3. So these are the final answer. But we can check to confirm if either of this answer is right or wrong, because they are the same thing. To check, we have the given equation s to the power of 6 minus s to the power of 9 is equal to 36. When x is equal to 3 minus 3 to the power of 1 divided by 3, so then we have minus 3 to the power of 1 over 3 to the power of 6 minus bracket minus 3 to the power of 1 over 3 to the power of 9 must be equal to 36. Here, take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m n, then this can be written as minus 3 to the power of 6 over 3 minus bracket minus 3 to the power of 9 over 3 must be equal to 36. Then 3 here 1, 3 here 2, 3 here 1, 3 here 3. Here is minus 3 to the power of 2 minus bracket minus 3 to the power of 3 must be equal to 36. Here, minus 3 square, this is 9 minus bracket minus 3 to the power of 3, this is minus 27, must be equal to 36. And here 9 minus times minus 27, that is plus 27, must be equal to 36. Now 9 plus 27, this is 36, is equal to 36, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.